Having trouble with the accessibility player on the YouTube app. If the accessibility player isn't working, isn't appearing, or its controls aren't responding properly, this troubleshooting steps may help in this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix accessibility player on YouTube app. The first thing you have to do is to go to YouTube. Then in this page, we'll go to the sign up profile. You'll move to settings. And here in this page, as you see of settings, you will scrolling down until you find accessibility. You will click on accessibility in this way. And after that, in this page, what you will find is this sign. Will tap here to enable this feature and to fix it. So this is how it works. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.